Welcome to our instructional video on simplifying integer exponent problems. In this video, we will be focusing on solving the problem 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 2 raised to the power of 2. Let's dive into the step-by-step solution process to simplify this expression. To solve the problem, simplify the integer exponent problem 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 2 raised to the power of 2. We first need to evaluate each of the exponents separately before performing the subtraction. First, let's look at 3 raised to the power of 3. This means we need to multiply the number 3 by itself 3 times. So 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Next, we look at 2 raised to the power of 2. This means we need to multiply the number 2 by itself. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Now we can substitute these values back into our original expression. So instead of 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 2 raised to the power of 2, we now have 27 minus 4. By breaking down the problem into these smaller steps, we have changed the original expression into a simpler form where we can clearly see the arithmetic that needs to be performed. The next step will be to actually perform the subtraction. To perform the subtraction, we simply take the number 27 and subtract the number 4 from it. This means we need to determine how many numbers are left when we take 4 away from 27. To do this, we start at 27 and count backward by 4. 27 minus 1 is 26, minus 2 is 25, minus 3 is 24, and minus 4 is 23. So 27 minus 4 equals 23. Therefore, the original expression 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 2 raised to the power of 2 simplifies to the number 23. This is the final step, and we have successfully transformed the original exponents into a single, simple integer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.